Welcome to today's video. In today's video, Emma will share her story at the cafe. You'll learn useful vocabulary and expressions often used in daily conversations. Listen carefully as we dive into the story. Last weekend, I visited a cozy little cafe with my friend Hannah. We were excited to try it out since it had recently opened in our neighborhood. As soon as we stepped inside, the warm aroma of freshly brewed coffee and baked pastries greeted us, instantly making me feel hungry. The barista welcomed us with a cheerful smile and said, "Feel free to sit wherever you like." I spotted a charming table near the fireplace and decided it was the perfect spot. "Let's sit here," I said, and Hannah happily agreed. The menu was full of tempting options: sandwiches, pastries, soups, and salads. "What are you thinking of ordering?" I asked Hannah. She glanced at the menu and said, "I'll go with a classic croissant and a cappuccino." I wanted to try something different, so I decided on a turkey sandwich with a side of creamy mushroom soup. When the barista returned to take our order, she asked, "Would you like anything to drink?" I thought for a moment before replying, "I'll have an iced tea, please." Hannah smiled and said, "I'll take a latte." Our drinks arrived quickly. Hannah's latte looked beautiful, with its delicate foam art, and my iced tea was cool and refreshing. We sipped our drinks and chatted about our plans for the upcoming week. Conversations with Hannah were always fun, and time seemed to fly by. Not long after, our meals were served. My turkey sandwich was perfectly toasted, with fresh ingredients that complemented the creamy soup wonderfully. The soup was rich and warm, perfect for the chilly day. Hannah's croissant looked golden and flaky, and she raved about how delicious it was. After enjoying our meals, we decided to indulge in dessert. "I'll have the chocolate mousse," Hannah said with a grin. I opted for a slice of tangy lemon tart topped with a dollop of whipped cream. Each bite was heavenly, and we ate slowly, savoring the moment while chatting about everything under the sun. When we finally finished, we were completely full but so happy. When the bill arrived, I paid for my meal, and Hannah paid for hers. As we walked out of the cafe, I turned to her and said, "Thanks for joining me today. This was such a great time." The day had been perfect, and as we parted ways, I couldn't help but look forward to coming back to that cozy cafe again soon. Vocabulary highlights: aroma, a pleasant smell. Example, the aroma of fresh coffee filled the room. Cozy, warm, and comfortable. Example, the cafe had a cozy atmosphere. Relish, to enjoy something greatly. Example, she relished every bite of her dessert. Content, feeling satisfied and happy. Example, after a delicious meal, I felt content. Treat, something special you give yourself. Example, we treated ourselves to dessert. Great work today. Every video helps you get closer to mastering English. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more engaging lessons. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next video.